14 hertz right here.
14.
14.
Oh man.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Could you tell me real quick what's in here in your name?
Okay, so I got a Star 85.4 and a 150.4. They're on 24 speakers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are not playing. I think I had a wire, had something going on with it, so I didn't even worry about it. I just said I'm coming. But on the subs, I got MX 4Ks on each 2 subs. Those are American-based HDs and SPL Recones.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
What is your peaks?
So normally around 30. I got, so I'm picking around 30.
And it plays down to the 14, you said? How low does it play down to?
Yeah, that was 14
Whoa,
there. Yeah.
wow.
It plays pretty low.
Nice. And you built this?
Jason, a friend of mine, Jason Brown, he was for Sundown Essays when we originally did it.
Yep.
And I've had the Essays, I've had the EVLs, and I had the American-based HDs, and then I reconed them to the SPL audio, and that's what we're rolling with. Yes, sir.
Can I see the amps?
The MAC 4K.
Can I see them?
Oh, yeah. For sure.
I appreciate the low demo, man.
Oh, yeah,
Not
man.
every day you see
That's
it.
what I live for.
Oh, that's low. Wow.
No, I didn't know.
That's super low.
Yeah, that's...
And it's a 4th order doing that.
No, it's actually a 6 order.
Oh, I gotta see the chamber. I didn't see any of the chamber.
I wish I could roll it broke my window.
Yeah.
And brake locks too. Yeah.
Nice. That was good.
Appreciate it.
Thank you for the demo.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it. This is 14 hertz right here.
14.
14.
Oh man.
Young lady, you ready?
I'll go in, yeah. I don't want to cut anybody. She's going in, yeah. She's the next.
You want to do one real quick?
Go ahead, you do her.
Get it from here.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
You do your thing, man. You're on camera. Nice.
This is 14 hertz right here.
14.
14.
Oh, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.